this look familiar? We are very familiar with, and we are happy to see when we see 50% discount, buy one get one free, or 10% store-wide discount, a sale of 50% off selected products, clearance sale 60 to 70% off. And we do see there are long queues of people queuing up when there is a sale. Today we are going to find the percentage involving discount. Let's look at the word problem. Method 1. The usual price of a pair of shoes was $180. At a sale, Jane bought the pair of shoes at a discount of 10%. How much was the discount? How much did Jane pay? We know here that the usual price was $180 and it is at a discount of 10%. We want to find how much was the discount and how much did Jane pay. Usual price is usually 100%. So we can draw our model to show 100%. And we know that the usual price was $180. So we can show that 100% is $180. There's a discount of 10%. And we know from here is 90%. This part here is 90%. 100 minus 10 would be 90%. And this is the amount that Jane has to pay, or we call it the sale price. So how do we find the amount, the discount amount and the amount that Jane has to pay? From here, we know that our 100% is our $180. Therefore, to find 10%, we take 100 divided by 10. And I will get 180 divided by 10, which will give me $18. So I know that my discount amount is $18. And the discount is 10%. How much did Jane have to pay? We know that Jane has to pay 90%. So 10% to 90%, we can multiply by 9. Therefore, 18 times 9 will give us $162. Therefore, Jane has to pay $160 for the pair of shoes. Let's look at another method. Usual price $180, discount of 10%. So from here we know that the usual price is our 100%. When there is a discount, we draw an arrow down to show a discount. Why? Because at a discount we pay less. And we will start at this point. Where the arrows start, that is where we put our usual price. And we have the discount, and at the end, after the discount, we have the sale price or the amount paid. So our usual price is 100%, which is our $180. There is a discount of 10%. So I take 100 minus 10. My sale price will be 90%, or the amount paid will be 90%. We need to find the discount. And how much did Jane have to pay? Again, we know that 100% is our $180. So therefore 10%, we know from previously that it is $18. So Jane has to pay $18, and the discount is $18 and Jane has to pay 90%, which is 18 times 9, $162. Let's look at another word problem. Jane paid $180 for a pair of shoes after a 10% discount. What was the original price of the pair of shoes? $180 she paid after a 10% discount. We are asked to find the original price. And we know that original price is our 100%. So we can draw the model to show 100%. However, we do not know the original price. So we put a question mark. We know that there's a discount of 10%. If this is 10% discount, so he has to pay 90%, which is the amount paid, or the sale price. So how do I find the original price? From here, we can link that our 90% is $180. Therefore, 10% would be divided by 9. $20. And to find 100%, I take 10% times 10 will give me 100. Therefore, $20 times 10 will give me $200. So the original price of the pair of shoes is $200. Let's look at another method. Method 2. Jane paid $180 for a pair of shoes after a 10% discount. We want to find the original price, which is our 100%. We know that when there is a discount, we pay less. So we draw an arrow down to show that we pay less. Original price, a discount, and the sale price or the amount we pay. Original price is 100%. A discount of 10%. The sale price or the amount paid is 90%. We know that Jane paid $180. So from here, we link that 90% is $180. We want to find the 100%. So we put 10%, which is our $20, and 100% would be our $200. So the original price is $200. Now let's try these few sums. Question 1. During a sale, a sofa set that usually costs $1,500 was selling at 25% discount. How much did the sofa set cost after the discount? Question 2. Mrs. Ong bought a bag for $80 after a 40% discount. What was the original price of the bag? Solve this using the two methods that we have learned, and we shall discuss tomorrow. Question 3. Which would you buy from? Shop A and Shop B both sells the same bottle. Shop A sells it at $12 with a 20% discount. But Shop B sells it at $10 with a 10% discount. Which one would you buy? From Shop A or from Shop B? And why would you choose the shop? Think about it, and we will discuss in class tomorrow. We have learned finding the percentage involving discount. And we learned that when there is a discount, the original price or the usual price is 100%. And the sale price or the amount paid is usually and always lower than the original price. Goodbye.